Welcome to the Animal Team channel. I want to tell you 80 facts about dolphins. Subscribe to the channel and like it, and let's go. Number 1. Dolphins live in water, but they do not have gills. They need air to breathe. Therefore, they do not belong to fish, but to mammals from the order Cetacea. Number 2. Scientists believe that many millions of years ago they lived on land. This is confirmed by the following features. Dolphins are viviparous. The bones of their fins are similar in structure to animals living on land. They don't have gills, they breathe with their lungs. Therefore, they have to float to the surface of the water. Number 3. In total, the dolphin family includes about 40 species. Of these, 11 species are found in the waters of Russia. Number 4. Dolphins are considered the smartest animals in the world. Scientists believe that by comparing the ratio of brain to body size, dolphins take second place immediately after humans. Number 5. Each animal has its own name. This is a proven fact. The name is assigned by adults at birth. During the experiments, the same dolphin always responded to the whistle signal recorded by scientists, meaning a name. Number 6. Dolphins have their own language. They actively communicate with each other. According to the latest scientific data, they have a vocabulary of up to 14,000 sound signals. From the outside, their communication sounds like clicking, but in fact these are sounds of a certain frequency that they pick up even at great distances. Number 7. Dolphins are social animals. They don't live alone. Their flocks have a complex social structure in which each individual has its own specific place. An interesting fact is that they take care of each other. If one dolphin gets sick, the others do not leave him alone. They will take care of him and support him in every possible way. Number 8. Animals help each other during hunting. They go in search of prey in large groups. Together they surround the fish in a ring, thereby preventing it from swimming away. Then they take turns diving for prey. Number 9. In the course of research, it was revealed that dolphins are able to recognize themselves in the mirror. This proves their high intelligence. This is a very rare feature among animals. Number 10. It is especially worth noting the dream of dolphins. They are half asleep, half awake. The fact is that the brain of animals consists of two halves, like a human. When one hemisphere sleeps, the other remains active and helps the animal navigate in the water. At the same time, one eye of the dolphin is open, the other is closed. This feature is due to the fact that mammals breathe air. They periodically need to rise to the surface of the water for another sigh. Number 11. Sharks are afraid of dolphins because they can attack them and bite them in the belly. Number 12. There have been many documented cases of dolphins rescuing people. For example, in 2004, off the coast of New Zealand, a group of bottlenose dolphins protected four swimmers from a white shark. Many facts of the rescue were recorded on video. One of them is a happy accident that happened in 2014 with Adam Walker. A professional swimmer participated in an 8-hour swimming marathon in the Cook Strait. After about 7 hours in the water, he noticed a large white shark nearby, which did not lag behind him. Suddenly, a small flock of dolphins appeared in the water. They swam between the swimmer and the shark for about an hour, until Walker swam to the goal. When the danger passed, the animals swam away. Number 13. Dolphins are friendly and sociable animals. There were cases when they turned to a person for help. One of these cases occurred with the diver Enzo Majorca. While diving into the water, he felt a light blow on his back. Turning around, he noticed a dolphin. The diver realized that he wanted to say something to him and followed him. At a depth of about 15 meters, he found another dolphin trapped in an abandoned net. Majorca quickly asked his daughter to give him a diving knife. In a few minutes they managed to free the animal. It turned out that a pregnant female was caught in the net. A few minutes later she gave birth to a baby dolphin. The father made a circle and touched Enzo's cheek with a gesture of gratitude. Then the animal swam away. Number 14. Dolphins are trained to assist divers. They can protect them from sharks, bring additional air cylinders, various tools, help find the way if the diver gets lost. Number 15. Hearing in animals is unique, operates on the principle of an echo sounder. By sounds, they can determine the range of an object, its size and shape. Number 16. Even in the ancient writings of Aristotle and Herodotus, there were records that say that dolphins are able to show deep emotions. For example, compassion, love, and empathy. Number 17. Despite the fact that the average life expectancy of dolphins is about 17 years, some can even live up to 50 years. Number 18. Mammals are real gourmets. Within 24 hours, they eat fish equal to a fourth of their weight. They have two stomachs. One is designed to store food, and the other is used for digestion. 19. These amazing animals are able to see well even in almost complete darkness. Number 20. Killer whales are the largest species of dolphins. Contrary to their name, killer whales belong to the dolphin family. Number 21. Dolphins' favorite pastime is surfing. They like to ride the waves. Often they do it together as cubs. Number 22. Amazing inhabitants can play football. They use jellyfish or fish as a ball. 23. In captivity, young dolphins often play, inventing new entertainments. For example, one dolphin teases with a toy and another chases him. Number 24. They also know how to jump. When jumping, they push their body out of the water, and the height of the jump reaches 6 meters. Number 25. Animals can dive to a depth of 200 meters. The record recorded dive was as much as 300 meters. This dive was made by a specially trained dolphin taffy. Number 26. The average swimming speed of dolphins reaches 35 km/h. The exact one depends on the specific type. Number 27. Killer whales and white-winged porpoises are considered the fastest dolphins. The maximum speed of both is 55 km/h. The slowest is the beluga whale. Its speed even during jerks does not exceed 25 km/h. Number 28. There are cases when dolphins were trained for military purposes. They could find mines, rescue sailors, perform various operations. Number 29. Some species and subspecies are on the verge of extinction. Number 30. Baiji was the first dolphin species to become extinct in 2006. Number 31. Dolphins live in reservoirs located all over the planet. Some are found even in Arctic waters. Number 32. Beluga is a dolphin that has adapted to the harsh conditions of the Arctic Ocean. Number 33. There are pink dolphins in nature. This kind of river species is called Amazonian inia. Number 34. Animals are able to subtly capture the emotional state of a person. They are also able to determine pregnancy in women. Their way of reacting is identical to human verbal communication. Number 35. They are easily trained, well-trained, able to perform even complex numbers. These amazing animals are popular entertainers in the dolphinarium. Number 36. There were cases that some dolphins mastered up to 25 words during training. Number 37. Dolphins learn to draw. If you've been to the dolphinarium, you've probably seen this number. The animal, half out of the water, holds a brush in its mouth and draws a picture. Sometimes several dolphins take turns painting a picture. Number 38. Mammals can migrate if they don't have enough food. Number 39. Not all animals live in the ocean. There are freshwater species. The Amazon dolphin is the largest freshwater dolphin. The length of adult males reaches up to 2.5 meters. Number 40. Pelorus jack is one of the most famous dolphins. For 2 decades, at different times of the day, the dolphin regularly met vessels passing through the Cook Strait and accompanied them, swimming ahead or next to them. The whole journey took about 20 minutes. This caused a lot of attention. At the beginning of the XX century, it became a real New Zealand landmark. It was written about in magazines and newspapers. The dolphin became the hero of several books and poems for children. Tourists from different countries came to see it. Number 41. Cetology is a branch of zoology that studies cetaceans, whales, dolphins. Number 42. World Whale and Dolphin Day is celebrated annually on July 23rd. Number 43. Many countries are currently abandoning the idea of keeping dolphins in captivity. A number of countries, including India, Costa Rica, Chile, and Hungary, abandoned this idea and released all the inhabitants of dolphinariums into the bosom of nature. The main reason is that scientists have every reason to believe that these mammals have a highly developed personality. Number 44. In ancient Greece there was a law against killing a dolphin. If a person was caught in this crime, he was executed. Number 45. Males take care of their females in an interesting way. During this period, animals have active sound communication. The female can periodically ignore the male, play with him. Love dance is one of the main techniques. During it, the animals swim side by side, demonstrating their strength and agility. Number 46. Males of some species of river dolphins make gifts during courtship. It can be small bouquets of seaweed, coral fragments, pieces of sponges. Number 47. Courtship lasts from 3 to 4 days to several weeks. In this case, the male can take care of several females at the same time. This increases the likelihood of mating eventually. Number 48. Animals feed their young with milk, so they are mammals. Number 49. Cubs, becoming older, begin to eat different types of fish. The jaw of dolphins is not adapted to chewing, so they swallow food whole. 50. These mammals have very developed hearing. Also, their taste buds are very perfect. They are able to distinguish very subtle shades of taste. At the same time, they have no sense of smell. Number 51. The animal does not need to turn the trunk to see the environment. Their eyes are located on the sides, and their vision is panoramic, which allows them to see at all 180 degrees. Number 52. Although the appearance of dolphins is impressive, they are gentle to the touch. They don't have scales, but skin. Number 53. The breathing cycle lasts 10 minutes. They breathe fully consciously. Number 54. The tail is located horizontally. Number 55. Sometimes it seems that dolphins smile. In fact, this is not the case, they just have such a mouth size. Number 56. The number of nerve cells in animals is an order of magnitude greater than in humans. They also have more neural connections in the brain. This means that they are able to think deeper and faster than a person. Number 57. The human brain weighs 1.4 kilograms, and the dolphin brain weighs 1.7 kilograms. Number 58. The body temperature is 36.6 degrees, like a human. 59. Animals have no external hearing organs. At the same time, they have an inner ear. 60. They are able to communicate with each other at a distance. This method of communication is called echolocation. Number 61. Animals have 72, 104 teeth. They get only one set of teeth in their entire life. They do not chew food, having as many as 100 teeth, but use them only to catch prey, and then swallow it directly. Number 62. Mammals have an incredible ability to regenerate. Animals have delicate skin that heals quickly. Number 63. Some species of dolphins are able to hold their breath for up to 15 minutes. Number 64. Animals do not have sweat glands. Unlike humans, they do not lose water when sweating. This reduces the natural loss of moisture. Number 65. The diet is influenced by the habitat. They feed mainly on fish, squid, shrimp. Killer whales are able to catch seabirds. Number 66. Animals can get water from food, plankton, fish, squid, etc. Number 67. Amazing creatures use touch to communicate with each other. For example, they demonstrate their friendliness by touching their bellies and fins. Dolphins have a certain order and rules for raising cubs. Adult dolphins carefully take care of the little ones. This is evidenced by the following facts. Number 68. Pregnancy lasts 10 to 18 months. The duration depends on the specific type. Number 69. The female brings offspring every 2 to 3 years, in general up to 8 times in her life. Number 70. A female dolphin usually brings one cub 50 to 60 centimeters long. Number 71. Cubs are born live, tail first. Otherwise, the kids would be drowning. Number 72. When a mother dolphin gives birth, other adults gather and help her in the process. The dolphin father performs the role of a guard. 73. In some cases, scientists have observed that the cubs do not sleep at all for the first month of life, forcing their mothers to be active all this time. Number 74. An amazing fact is that after the birth of a baby dolphin, his mother is usually joined by a female from the pack, who helps her in caring for the newborn. Number 75. Newborn dolphins from the first moments are very adapted to independent life, unlike the cubs of other mammals. Babies are born able to see, hear, swim, exchange sound information with their mother, distinguish their mother from other relatives. Number 76. The cub never swims far from the mother, but there are cases when he is lost by mistake. In this situation, the baby swims closer to the surface of the water to the place where he was with his mother last time. The cub swims in a circle at high speed and continuously whistles. Thus, the mother easily finds him. Number 77. In dolphinariums, there were cases when mothers punished their disobedient children. Usually, the female pressed the cub to the bottom of the pool with her nose and held it in this position for about a minute, after which she let go. 78. During the first 3 years of life, the mother does not leave the cub, feeds her milk and protects. Number 79. Cubs are born with body hair. Later, this hair disappears. Number 80. Young dolphins learn from their mothers. How did dolphins deserve such close attention of scientists? Their most important distinguishing feature is that they are easily trainable. Also, they practically do not show aggression against people. In Brazil, fishermen were able to train dolphins to work. Now trained dolphins help them in fishing, driving flocks of fish into nets. Fishermen pay assistance with caught fish.